Coronavirus, also known as the COVID-19, has taken over the world. The disease started from a city in China called Wuhan. Now it has spread to almost all the countries like UK, United States of America, Italy and Singapore. So, how do we prevent the spread of this disease? The infographics show presents 4 simple steps to prevent coronavirus. Number 1. Hands. World Health Organization says that it all starts with hands. We use our hands for all the purposes, as a result we end up touching infected place that enters our body and cause infection. People are advised to wash their hands thoroughly and frequently using soap and water. Or any alcohol-based solutions like hand sanitizer. Washing with soaps kills the bacteria that may be on your hands. It is simple, but it is very important. Number 2. Face. Avoid touching your face, particularly your eyes, nose, or mouth to prevent virus from entering your body. Hands can touch too many places and surfaces, which can quickly pick up the virus. Once contaminated, virus can easily enter your body via face, which can further infect your body causing diseases. Number 3. Social distance. Social interaction is a big factor when it comes to spread of corona epidemic. Keep at least 1 meter distance from others in public. By maintaining such social distancing we arrest infection up to an extent. Number 4. Be responsible. Always be responsible for your own safety. If you have any fever, cough, or any symptoms, immediately seek medical attention. Keep informed about latest information from local authorities and follow the government instructions properly. Always wear a mask when you go out in public. Always help your elders, parents and others who are vulnerable to the disease. Together with mutual effort and cooperation we can fight coronavirus. Stay at home. Stay safe. Please subscribe for more videos.